Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie. I film YouTube videos about random things, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my FabFitFun Spring box, which just arrived. So if you're interested in watching that, continue watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, do all the things, and let's dive right in. So this month's box says that it's in support of Dress for Success, and it's obviously spring themed, has butterflies all over it. I personally hate butterflies, so not a fan of the box, but let's just get into what's inside. Alright, so I'm going to try and show you guys first. Oh shoot, dropping things. Okay, can't do that this time. I guess there's stuff right on top. So, stuff that fell out is the FabFitFun little magazine. This month it has Gina Rodriguez on the front, and it'll tell you more about products and stuff like that. Then there is also, it looks like a coupon code for the Bite company. Which is, I guess, like Invisalign kind of type things. And then they always send a HelloFresh like little coupon thing with free meals or a certain money off. So, okay, now that that's kind of open, this is what the inside looks like. So, we will dive right in. To the products side. The first thing right on top is this gravity weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. So let's go ahead and open that. It's kind of hard to open. Alrighty, so it looks like this sleep mask. I love sleep masks. I got a silk sleep mask in my last FabFitFun box that I really didn't think I was going to use. Ended up loving. So I'm really interested to try out this weighted one and see how that works out for me. It feels really soft. Looks like the original price for this is $39.99. So the second thing in my box is this Skindinavia, the Makeup Finishing Spray. It's a fine mist, oil-free, paraben-free. Let's see what the mist looks like. Ooh. Okay. So the first time it was like really chunky drops, but then after it went through, it is a really fine mist. So be interested to try that out. I don't use a lot of makeup setting sprays, especially now that I've kind of transitioned over to more natural beauty products. I did look through like the listing of what comes in the box, and I don't know if I'm just like not reading this right. I cannot find how much this costs. So if I can find the original price for this, I will leave it linked down below. Alright, so next up I have the Marianella Rosewood Oil and Lit C Cubeba Body Oil with Mungongo and Pomegranate Oil. So it looks like a body oil. Oh, jeez. And the original price for this is $68. Ooh. Ooh, that smells awesome. I love the way that smells. So it says made with Mungongo oil, pomegranate seed oil, marula oil, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel seed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. Our rosewood and lit C Cubeba body oil is a cold pressed infusion of amazingly beneficial 100% pure oils and vitamins. These undiluted, luxurious, restorative, and anti-aging formula will moisturize, soothe, and replenish your skin the way nature intended, with no harsh chemicals, no additives, leaving you with a beautiful and healthy, youthful glow. Very interested to try that out. Next up we have the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. and the retail price for this is $78. So this is a fast-acting treatment that helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restores a more youthful appearance. Use morning and night. Massage evenly over face and neck and chest. Very interesting. I did get in my first ever FabFitFun box the Murad eye cream, and I really liked that. So far, a couple of these products that I've gotten cost more than the entire box. So far, getting a real good deal this time around. So really excited about those. Next up, we have the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cranberry, camelina sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Support sleep and skin wellness at night with a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. A lotion that helps you sleep? I am intrigued. Let's see how this smells. Oh, the original retail price for this is $40. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. So relaxing. Ooh, that smells like spa. I am so using that tonight with this weighted sleep mask. All right, up next we have the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. This retails for $35. It's for all skin types. Benefits: watermelon moisturizes skin, lychee helps promote brighter skin, beet is good for damaged skin, purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it supple and hydrated. Smooth over cleansed wet face, let it sit for 2 minutes. Rinse with water and pat dry. Great for everyday use. Interesting. So we'll see how this works. I'm not a huge watermelon fan. I mean, doesn't smell super strong of watermelon, but we'll try that out and see how that goes. And then next up we have silicone straws. 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a plastic case. So I personally am trying to get into more sustainable stuff, fashion, beauty, all that jazz. I do use stainless steel straws. Let's give these a look. So, oh my gosh, that is the cutest little case ever. I guess because these are bendable, you can throw them in here. What? Okay, let's take a look. So it comes with 4 straws in assorted bright colors. You get a brush cleaner, which is always nice to have. And these, did I say these retail for $15? Cute. But how do I get them in here? I feel like I'm gonna ruin it by bending it. Interesting. I'll have to try these out, give them a go and see how they work, but I am all for wasting plastic, so these are fun. The case is super cute though. Alrighty. And lastly in my box I have the, let's see here, this is the Doni ribbed sweater coat. And this retails for $99. So it is like a ribbed cardigan. Doesn't have like full length sleeves, and I want to see if you can kind of see that up close. The color is nice. It is super thin. It has pockets, which is always a plus in any type of cardigan. But I feel like this will be really cute and lightweight and easy to just kind of throw over something, like a good transitional layering piece. And I'm pretty short, so this is probably gonna come like to my hip length, so very cute. I'm excited about that. So let me just total up real quick and see how much my box actually cost. Alrighty, so I totaled everything up, and I was able to find the price for this by going on to FabFitFun's website, and my total value in my box was $404, and the box is only a fraction of that. I'm not sponsored by FabFitFun. I would love to get to a point where any brand would want to work with me, but you know, I pay for this with my own money. These reviews are not swayed in any way. This is not sponsored. I'm not getting, you know, paid to give you a fake opinion. I personally love that I can go in and kind of pick and choose certain products, and then especially with this box, they seem to have geared the items that I didn't choose to be kind of within the same realm of things that I had chosen. You know, I went more skincare. There was options to have more like beauty products like makeup, but because I am trying this whole clean beauty thing, I didn't want to get any of those items. I wanted to focus more on kind of like the skincare and stuff like that, or like, you know, the clothing options. So I personally really liked this box. This is probably my favorite one that I've gotten in a little while. I feel like I'm actually going to use every single thing that came, with possibly the exception of this 2-minute polishing peel. I mean, I've never tried a peel before. I'll have to look into the ingredients a little bit. Sorry. I have to look into the ingredients a little bit more and just kind of see how it works. But this is the only product that I'm like, I don't know if I'll use that or not. Everything else I will definitely be using. So pretty happy with this month's, or this season's box. I'm excited to see what summer holds. And according to the magazine where they do a breakdown of all the products that you could get, this season your box could have been valued from $232 all the way up to $503. And the box only costs $49.99 a month. So I will have my link down below where you can get a certain amount of money off of your first box. And again, that's not sponsored, not affiliated. It's just when you sign up for FabFitFun, you can like refer a friend with a code. So I'm just putting that code down below in case you guys want to get some money off. If you haven't tried FabFitFun yet, I have liked it more. There has been a couple boxes that kind of weren't that great. I've never had an issue with shipping. Mine usually ships out pretty quick. As soon as I get the notification for customization, I'll go in and do that. So I haven't had any problems. I really like the box. I personally would recommend and have recommended it to a couple friends just as like a nice little treat a few times a year. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys in my next one.